Hi, I'm Jason. Welcome to another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Today, we will show you how to remove and replace the surface burner igniter on this Whirlpool freestanding gas range. Now let's begin the repair. Some indications of a bad electrode would be they would all be sparking except for the bad electrode. So we're going to start by removing our burner grate and set it off to the side. Remove the cap over the burner to expose the two Phillips screws. Take these two screws out, and that will loosen up your burner. Pull it straight up. Be careful to guide that wire to the electrode out. To remove the electrode, what you want to do is unplug your electrode. Take your wire and tape it down so it doesn't fall down inside the cooktop. Otherwise, you're going to have to remove the whole cooktop to get to that wire. With a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw holding in the electrode. And then remove your electrode from the burner. To install the electrode, take your electrode, stick it into the burner, and reinstall your screw. Pull your tape off and hold your wire at the same time so that it can't fall down inside. Attach your wire onto the electrode. Drop your wire down into the cooktop. Install your burner back on top of the orifice. Install your two burner screws. Install your burner cap, install the grill, and that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.